Have you ever wondered how to make money online in 2024? Today, we're exploring 7 incredible ways to achieve just that. From the potential of affiliate marketing to the earning opportunities in online courses, dropshipping, freelancing, YouTube monetization, sponsored content, and even investing in stocks or cryptocurrency. Each of these methods offers a unique path towards financial freedom, and we're here to guide you through them. So, are you ready to dive in? Let's start with the first way to make money online. First up, affiliate marketing. Imagine being paid to recommend products you love. That's the essence of affiliate marketing. You promote a company's product or service, and when someone makes a purchase through your referral link, you earn a commission. It's a win-win situation that allows you to generate income without creating a product of your own. The potential earnings? Well, they're as vast as the internet itself. Now let's move on to the second method. Second on our list, online courses. As the world becomes increasingly digital, the demand for online learning is soaring. If you possess a unique skill or expertise in a certain field, why not share it with the world? Create a course, set your price, and voila! You're teaching and earning simultaneously. It's a win-win. Whether it's cooking, coding, or calligraphy, there's a global audience eager to learn. So go ahead, spread your knowledge and generate income from it. Let's check out the third way to make money online. Thirdly, consider dropshipping. It's a retail method where you don't keep the products you sell in stock. Instead, when you sell a product, you purchase it from a third party and have it shipped directly to the customer. This means no upfront inventory costs, making it a low-risk option. You can focus on marketing and customer service, while your supplier handles the rest. It's a smart, streamlined approach to e-commerce. Ready for the fourth method? Fourth on our list, freelancing. An empowering way to earn, freelancing lets you harness your unique skills, whether it's writing, graphic design, or web development. In this digital age, companies are always on the lookout for talented freelancers. You can offer your services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, setting your own rates and working on your own terms. It's a fantastic way to turn your passion into profit. Let's move to the fifth way to make money online. Fifth up, YouTube monetization. If you've cultivated a YouTube channel with a substantial following, you're sitting on a gold mine. You can earn money through advertising revenue, which is generated every time a viewer watches an ad on your video or clicks on it. And let's not forget about YouTube Premium. Subscribers pay a monthly fee for ad-free viewing, and guess what? You get a cut of that fee. The key here is consistency and quality content. On to the sixth method. Sixth on our list, sponsored content. Picture this. Brands paying you to showcase their products or services right on your social media platforms. It's a win-win, really. They get the visibility they crave, and you get paid for it. It's all about creating engaging content that seamlessly integrates the brand into your narrative. And the best part? It can be incredibly profitable, with some influencers earning thousands per post. So, why not give it a shot? Ready for the final method? Lastly, investing in stocks or cryptocurrency. The digital age has brought us an abundance of opportunities, including the rise of digital currencies and the ever-evolving stock market. Both of these platforms offer unique ways to grow your wealth online. By strategically investing in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, or diving into the stock market, you can potentially reap substantial rewards. It's a modern gold rush where the prospector could be you. And there you have it, the 7 best ways to make money online in 2024. So, that's it for today's video. We've walked through the 7 best ways to make money online in 2024. Affiliate marketing, online courses, dropshipping, freelancing, YouTube monetization, sponsored content, and investing in stocks or cryptocurrency. Each method has its unique appeal and potential. It's about finding what suits your skills, interests, and lifestyle. Remember, the journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech-related content from AI Global Tech.